up, guys? Back at you with another video. Today we're going to be doing a 3-inch Pypes catback install on an 87 Buick Grand National. We're going to do an unboxing on this exhaust right now. Currently we're getting the old junk that was all welded and hacked up out of the car now. We're basically going to be running a new powder coated or jet coated downpipe, new test pipe, and then the Pypes catback. This system is available in a 2.5-inch and 3-inch. This application, we're running a 3-inch. It just leaves room for future improvements if he ends up going with a bigger turbo, bigger upgrades down the road. He already has that, a little bit of extra flow.
Is there even hanger holes and stuff? No.
No, this exhaust is garbage. Alright, so here you see, this is right from Pypes. These are made in USA. One reason I really like all of Pypes products, they do a lot of nice stuff. I'm sure you guys have heard the name. Have it full stainless. There's our tailpipes. Okay, this system is available with 3 different muffler options. You got the Violators, you got the Street Pros, and you got the Race Pros. Basically, the Street Pros is kind of just a more mild, subtle sound. Then it goes the Violators, and then the loudest, which is the Race Pros. I'm pretty sure the 3-inch is only available with Race Pros, so that's what we have with this system. Comes with your clamps, hangers, and necessary hardware for installation to really make it a breeze. So good job on Pypes end. Always got good feedback and great support with their company. They also do the electric 3-inch cutouts. You guys have probably seen in some of our other videos. We've done installs on, which is really nice. Opens it right up after the downpipe, a little bit more extra flow, and good for opening it up on the track. So now we'll pull out our Y pipe here, which is all nice and bubble wrapped. Set this bad boy down here. And then let's take a peek at our muffler. All right, here you have it, guys. A beautiful, all polished Race Pro Pypes muffler. All right, so we got everything unboxed. The old exhaust is almost down. I'll show you guys a little clip of the new downpipe that it's getting, and we'll go ahead and get this baby installed and do a little sound clip at the end of how it's sounding. Alright guys, so here we have it. We're pulling the downpipe that he initially had on this car. Our problem was where the donut gasket sits onto the stock elbow of the turbocharger. We were not able to get it to seal because if you look on the new downpipe, this flange right here was bent pretty bad around the lip, therefore causing us not to get a good seal, causing an exhaust leak. And on a turbo application car, exhaust leak means big power loss. We do not want any exhaust leaks, especially after the turbo or before pre-turbo, more importantly, but basically to not cause us to lose any boost and have a quicker spool up. 3-inch downpipe, especially this style that bolts up to your factory exhaust manifold or elbow off of the turbo, off the exhaust housing. So basically we're gonna run back to a stock jet coated to handle up to like 1800 degrees, nice satin finish. So we'll get this bad boy on the car, and here is our donut gasket sits nice and flush like that, and will be ensured to have a good seal with 0 exhaust leaks. All right, guys, there you have it. That is the complete Grand National Pypes 3-inch exhaust install on this car. If you guys like what you saw and you guys are interested in purchasing this exhaust system, you guys can go on my website at castlesperformance.com. I offer it in 2.5 and 3-inch. I also offer the test pipes and the electric cutouts, and I do offer very competitive pricing to take care of the Turbo Buick family. And I appreciate you guys for watching the video. Remember to like, share, subscribe, and we'll see you soon. Peace. Go for it.